Choosing the right digital camera can elevate your photography and vlogging game to the next level. Whether you're a content creator, traveler, or aspiring filmmaker, today's digital cameras offer a powerful blend of image quality, portability, and smart features. From sharp 4K video and advanced autofocus to flip screens and external mic support, these cameras are built to meet the needs of both photographers and vloggers alike. In this list, we've selected the top 6 digital cameras that strike the perfect balance between performance and versatility. Whether you're shooting cinematic videos, capturing portraits, or live streaming, these picks deliver professional results without the bulk. Ready to upgrade your content creation setup? Let's dive into the top digital cameras that truly stand out. Number 1. FJFJOPK DC402 Digital Camera. The FJFJOPK 4K Vlogging Camera, perfect for beginners, teens, or casual creators, combines user-friendly features with impressive performance. Capture ultra-clear photos with its 48-megapixel resolution and record stunning 4K videos with autofocus, giving your vlogs and YouTube content professional polish. With 16x digital zoom and built-in anti-shake, this camera ensures stable, sharp shots whether you're filming on the move or snapping portraits. Its compact point-and-shoot design makes it easy to carry, while the included 32GB card gives you plenty of storage right out of the box. Stylish in pink and packed with features, this camera is ideal for social media, travel, or everyday use. If you're just getting started with photography or vlogging, this all-in-one digital camera offers great value and performance. Number 2. Gavonde WD-08 Digital Camera. The Gavonde 4K Vlogging Camera is a sleek, retro-style compact camera designed for creators who want high performance and flexibility. Capture vibrant 48-megapixel stills and crisp 4K videos with ease, thanks to its 3-inch 180-degree flip screen, perfect for selfies, vlogging, or YouTube content. The 18x digital zoom lets you get closer to the action without sacrificing clarity, while the included 32GB TF card and 2 rechargeable batteries ensure you're always ready to shoot. Whether you're a beginner or experienced creator, this camera's intuitive controls and portable build make it ideal for travel, photography, and on-the-go content creation. Its stylish black finish and classic design add a professional touch, making it a great choice for anyone looking to step up their visual storytelling. Number 3. Sony ZV-E10 APS-C Digital Camera. The Sony ZV-E10 is a powerful APS-C mirrorless camera crafted specifically for vloggers and content creators. With its interchangeable lens system, you can customize your shots with cinematic depth and clarity. Capture stunning 4K video with real-time eye autofocus and background defocus for professional quality footage with ease. Its side-opening Vari angle LCD screen is perfect for self-recording, while the directional 3-capsule mic with a windscreen ensures crisp, clear audio even in outdoor settings. Whether you're filming travel vlogs, tutorials, or product reviews, the ZV-E10 delivers top-tier performance in a compact, lightweight body. With USB streaming, headphone and mic jacks, and intuitive controls, this camera is a complete solution for serious creators who demand flexibility, image quality, and creative control in one device. Number 4. Lecnippy DC402-AF Digital Camera. The Lecnippy 4K Vlogging Camera offers a sleek and easy-to-use solution for beginners, teens, and everyday content creators. With its impressive 48-megapixel photo resolution and 4K video capabilities, this compact camera delivers sharp, vibrant results for both photography and vlogging. It features fast autofocus, anti-shake technology for stable shots, and 16x digital zoom to help you capture faraway subjects with clarity. The included 32GB memory card and 2 rechargeable batteries ensure you're always ready to shoot, whether you're filming at home or on the go. Its lightweight, portable design makes it perfect for travel, daily use, or social media content. Finished in stylish white, the Lecnippy camera combines performance, simplicity, and charm, making it a great choice for anyone stepping into digital photography or video creation. Number 5. ToAuite DC205X Digital Camera. The ToAuite 5K Vlogging Camera is a feature-packed option for content creators, vloggers, and photography lovers looking for clarity and convenience. Capture ultra-detailed 64-megapixel photos and smooth 5K 30 frames per second videos with autofocus and anti-shake technology for steady, professional results. It includes both rear and front cameras, ideal for selfies, travel vlogs, and lifestyle shoots. The built-in Wi-Fi allows for easy sharing and remote control via smartphone, while the 6x optical zoom and flash dial ensure quality shots in any lighting. This camera also comes with a generous 64GB card, giving you ample storage from the start. Designed for versatility, it's perfect for YouTube videos, personal projects, and on-the-go photography. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned creator, ToAuite makes high-resolution content creation simple. Number 6. NBD Digital Camera. The NBD 4K vlogging camera is a versatile, travel-friendly digital camera built for creators, vloggers, and photography enthusiasts. With a 180-degree flip screen, it's ideal for selfies, YouTube videos, and daily vlogging. While the 4K resolution and 16x digital zoom capture your moments in crisp, vibrant detail. The included 52mm macro lens allows for close-up shots with stunning clarity, making it perfect for nature, product, or lifestyle photography. Its lightweight, compact design is easy to carry, and the two included rechargeable batteries ensure you stay powered on long shoots. Whether you're exploring new places or building content from home, this camera delivers both style and substance. Reliable and user-friendly, the NBD camera makes it easy for beginners and travelers to create professional-looking content.